Good morning, everyone, and once again, welcome all of you in Maths online class. Students, in this video, we will be discuss about the conversion of decimal, means how to convert decimal into kilometer or kiloliter or kilogram or gram, or how we can convert any decimal, any kilometer in a meter, how we can convert any meter in a kilometer, and many things, means how we can convert hour in a minute or minute into hour. So students, let's start now.
So students, firstly will be solve the previous homework, and you know very well what was the previous homework. Previous homework was the solve the question number 4 and 5 of exercise 3C, and in there means in question number 4 and 5 what was there? There are write or find the answer of the question in certain decimal places, and you know very well how to find the any division, which division, decimal division in certain decimal place. Means question is asking, this is first question, 24.71 divided by 13 to 3 dp. 3 dp means 3 decimal place. Easily, firstly we can divide like as a decimal division 24.71, and then we can use the 20 because the question is saying 3 decimal place, so we carry out more than 1. Means if they asking the 3, so we can find the answer up to 4 decimal place. So like a 31 ones are 13, 1 ones are 13, and then after subtraction from 24 we get what, 11. Then we can write down the 17, then now we have a 117, and then but here is a point, then we can use the point in quotient. Then 13 nines are 190, 117. Then one number is one digit is left there, which one, 1. 1 is a very less, so we can 13 read the table, 13 zeros are 0, then after subtraction 1, then again we can write down the 0. Then 10, 10 is also less than, then again read the table of 13 in 0, 13 zeros are 0, then after subtraction we have the 10 now. And you know that property of decimal, what is it? Decimal always give a 1 0. So then 100 now, 13 sevens are, because question is saying find the decimal answer up to 3 decimal place, so we now firstly we find the answer up to 4 decimal place. Then now then 13 sevens are 91, after subtraction then we get the 9, and then now stop here. And then what is the quotient here is a 1.9007, and we know rule here is a what rule? If the last digit after decimal is more than or equal to 5, then one number we can add in the previous, means which one, second last digit. And what is here, 1.9007, and what is the second last digit here is a 0, and what is the last digit here is a 7, and 7 is the more than 5, then we can add the 1 in a 0. After adding, then we get what, 1.901 up to 3 decimal place. Means after 3 decimal how many digit there are, 3 digit, so answer will be 1.901, same as here the 0.754 divided by 3 decimal 3 to 1 decimal place, same as now. After the solution we get what, 0.251. Then look here, 5 is equal to 5. Listen, if the last digit of the, what is the question asking, 1, and 1, which one is the first digit, 2. After 2 what is there, 5. 5 is equal or more than 5, then we can add one number in a previous digit, and what is the previous digit, 2. Then 0.2, then 2 plus 1, 0.3, then answer will be 0.3. Now question number 5 was, means question, this is question, find that up to 3 dp, and all the questions given in a fraction form. First is a 1 upon 6, means 1 divided by 6. And look here, here's a question asking the 3 dp means, so you can take the after decimal, how many digit, 4 0. 3 dB, you can take the 40, then 1.0000, and value will be same. After the division, we get what? 0.166. Look here, 1 is less than 6. Now we take the decimal after the taking where in a quotient, then we have a 1 0. Now we have a 10. 6 1 is 6. After subtraction, then we get the 4, then we can write down the 0, then 40. Now 6 6 is 36, again 4, again 6 6 is 36, again 4, again 4, then 6 6 is 36. And after the division, we get up to 4 digit, then we get the what? 0.1666. Look here, last digit 6. 6 is more than 5. Then same process. What? One number we can add in a second last digit, and what second last digit is a 6. 6 plus 1 7. Then answer will be 0.167. Now same as this questions, 3 upon 11 to 3 decimal place. So 11. After decimal we can take the 3 or 4 0. Then after the division, so what? After here is now decimal, we write in a quotient, then quotient give then one digit. Now we have a 30, then 11 2s are 22, then 80 after subtraction, then 80, then 11 7s are, then again 30, then 2s are, then again 7, then again 80, then again 77, then 30, then 80 again 8, and then after subtraction, after the division we get the 0.2727. After division we get the what? After 4 digit. If the question asking 3 digit, so you find your answer up to 4 digit from the decimal. After the decimal, 2727, how many digit here? 4 digit. And what is the fourth digit? 7, and 7 is more than 5. Then we can add in the 1 in a previous, means second last digit, and was second last digit 2. Then answer will be 0.273 up to 3 dp. So listen, here is a one rule is important. Which one? 5. If the last digit of the answer means certain, what is asking 3 digit, and what fourth digit is more than 7 or equal to 5, then we can add the one number in previous digit. Now today's topic is conversion of unit, means how to convert any number into decimal form, how to convert any unit into the decimal form. This type conversion you also study in previous classes, class 6 and 5th also, means the 5th and 6th, how to convert, you know very well how to convert kilometer into meter, meter into kilometer, centimeter, decimeter, and you know there I have given the many more solution, means many more process and many more method how to find the this type question. So look here, what is here? Conversion of unit. And listen, in measurement we have a 3 and most important what unit there is a basic unit, what? Length, that is a meter, and then mass is a kilogram, and capacity, what is the capacity? Liter, means standard unit. What is the standard unit of the kilogram? What is the standard unit of mass? Kilogram, or you can say the gram. And what is standard unit of the meter? Is a length. And what is the standard unit of capacity? Is a liter. So look here, here is a table, and that is a very important table. Kilo meaning 1000, hecto 100, deca 10. Unit means meter in length, weight in gram, capacity in liter. Here is a 1 unit means 1 meter, or you can say the 1 gram for the weight, and you can say the 1 liter for a capacity. And deci means 1/10, means 1 upon 10. Centi means 1. When we go to unit to where? Right side, then units are decrease. When you go to left side, then units are increase. Means लेफ्ट साइड में अब डिवाइड होगा यूनिट, और राइट साइड में आपका क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई. 10 पावर 10, 10, then 100, look here, then 1000, then 10,000, then lakhs, and so on. Here is a upon 10, then 100, then 10,000, and then 10,000. In weight, that is a kilogram, hectogram, decagram. In capacity, that is a kiloliter, hectoliter, and deciliter, and centiliter. This is a measurement, because listen, I have explained also in previous classes how to convert, how what is a conversion unit, and how to there is a one metric table. You know what is the metric table? Millicenti decimeter deca hecto kilometer. Millicenti decimeter deca hecto kilometer. If you learn, if you remember this table, you can easily solve this exercise. And here is the, you know, mostly we use the this in the measurement, these which one, kilometer for the length, kilometer, meter, centimeter, meter, and kilogram, gram, and milligram. Capacity for the kiloliter, liters, and milliliter. And here is some important method, some important geometric table, or you can say which one, for the length, units of length. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer, and 1 kilometer is equal to how many decameter? 100. And how many meter? 1000 meter. Listen, you know very well how many meter there are in a 1 kilometer. 1000 meter. How many decameter in 1 hectometer? 10 decameter and 100 meter. And these are very important. Look here, this table, this part. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter, or you can say 0.1 centimeter. 1 upon 100 decimeter is equal to 0.101 decimeter, and 1 upon 1000 meter. This is very important. So here is a one rule, here is a two rule how to convert of any unit, and this is the very important rule. First, to convert from a higher unit to lower unit, then we multiply by 10, 100, and 1000, etc., as the case may be. Means if the question is asking like this, how many kilometer in 7 hectometer, so what is it saying? The hectometer and kilometer. So here hectometer is smaller than kilometer. Now, so how we can convert? By divide 10, because 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So this rule is a very important. So listen and look at this rule carefully. So what is the rule? To convert from a higher unit, higher to smaller or lower, we multiply by 10, 100, 1000, extra, as may the case. Example, 5 kilometer into meter, means convert the 5 kilometer into meter. So we know that very well from the class 5th and 6th. So how many meter in 1 kilometer? 1000 meter. So therefore 5 kilometer is equal to 5 multiplied by 1000. Here we multiply by 1000 because 1 kilometer in 1000 meter. And second rule, to convert from lower unit to higher unit, we divide 10, 100, and 1000, etc., as the case may be. Like as this one, 7000 meter into kilometer. Question is saying convert the 7000 meter into the kilometer. So meter is a smaller than kilometer, means here we go to smaller to greater. हम greater जा रहे हैं, तो क्या स्मॉल टू ग्रेटर. सो हियर वी फाइंड द आंसर बाय डिवीजन and divide by which number? Divide by 1000. And why? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So therefore 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Then 7000 meter is equal to 7000 upon 1000. 30 cancel. What is left here? 7, and 7 kilometer. So this is all about for the conversion of unit. So I will again explain in a next video. So don't worry, but this is your homework. Read and write the conversion unit of measurement or measure from the decimal, and I have attached your homework in description of this video. So students, thank you and take care.